Konnichiwa guys. Welcome back to our channel. Let's learn vocabulary chapter 4. Let's start. Hajime masho. Okimasu, get up, wake up. Nemasu, sleep, go to bed. Hatarakimasu, work. Yasumimasu, take a rest, take a holiday. Benkyoshimasu, study. Owarimasu, finish. Depato, department store. Ginko, bank. Yubinkyoku, post office. Toshokan, library. Bijutsukan, art museum. Ima, now. Z, clock as a prefix. Fun, pun, minute as a prefix. Han, half. Nanzi, what time? Nanpun, what minute? Gozen, AM, morning. Gogo, PM, afternoon. Asa, morning. Hiru, daytime, noon. Ban, yoru, night, evening. Ototoi, the day before yesterday. Kino, yesterday. Kyo, today. Ashita, tomorrow. Asatte, the day after tomorrow. Kesa, this morning. Konban, this evening or tonight. Yasumi, rest, a holiday, a day off. Hiruyasumi, lunchtime. My asa, every morning. My ban, every night. Mainichi, every day. Getsuyobi, Monday. Kayobi, Tuesday. Suiyobi, Wednesday. Mokuyobi, Thursday. Kinyobi, Friday. Doyobi, Saturday. Nichiyobi, Sunday. Nanyobi, what day of the week? Bango, number. Nanban, what number? Kara, from. Made, up to, until. To and used to connect two nouns. Sochira, your place. Tahin disne, that's tough, isn't it? Well, let me see. Onegaishimasu, please asking for favor. Kashikomari mashita, certainly, sir or ma'am. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Thank you very much. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Mata ne.